Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí gbàgede ẹ̀kọ́ ti òní. Àkórí ẹ̀kọ́ ti òní ni syllable. Welcome to today's class. Our topic for today is syllable. Kí ni syllable? Syllable ni ègé ọ̀rọ̀ tí èmi lè gbé jáde lẹ́ẹ̀kan ṣoṣo láìsí ìdíwọ́ fún èmi. That is, syllable is a breakdown of words that your breath can produce at one go. That is, that small film that you can produce at a time. Àpẹẹrẹ syllable, we have do. When we break it, do. Ó máa fún wa ní syllable méjì. We have àgùntàn. When you break it, it gives us syllable mẹ́ta, 3-syllabic structure. We have ojú, that is syllable méjì. Yorùbá, syllable mẹ́ta. Ọlọ́run, syllable mẹ́ta. Ọlọ́pàá, syllable mẹ́rin. Please note the breakings. It's important. Nínú èdè Yorùbá, àwọn consonant àránmúpàṣẹ syllable wà tí wọ́n lè dá dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí syllable èdè Yorùbá. That is, the nasal consonant sound m àti mi, that's m and n, can stand on their own as a syllabic structure. Let's give example. Bangbóṣe, Bángbóṣe, Aláǹgbá, Olúkòńdó, Ọmọlàńkẹ́, Báńkẹ́, Òroǹbó, Igbóǹṣeré. Now let's look at àṣà ìpolówó ọjà. Ìpolówó ọjà ni ọ̀nà tí à ń gbà kégbàjarè ọjà tí a fẹ́ tà sí etí gbọ́ àwọn ènìyàn. That is, advertisement is a way in which we advertise our wares for people to be interested in and buy. In the modern times, we have a lot of advert placement on TV, on radio, on print, and all that. But in those days, there is no print media and TV, so there are ways in which they advertise their wares. Ohun tí a máa ń polówó ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, things we advertise: ìrẹsì, ẹran, ẹ̀fọ́, ata, iyán, mọ́ínmọ́ín àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. So let's look at the things we advertise. We advertise things such as àgbàdo sísè, that is boiled corn. You see, ẹ̀rín òpóróǹtó or language, this is very common. Àgbọn coconut, àgbọn mi gbó kẹ́kẹ́ bí obì. We also advertise àwùsá or àsálà, that's walnuts. We also advertise ẹ̀fọ́. You see, ẹ̀fọ́ olókòrè for ata, that is pepper. Ẹ̀rà tá ẹ fi sebẹ̀, gàrí olóyọ̀rè, iyán, pounded yam. Ẹ wojú ọbẹ̀ ẹ múyán or iyán rèé, ẹ̀wà sísè. You see, múkẹ́ ti jiná o, then mọ́ínmọ́ín. You hear things like ẹ̀fọ́ lẹ́túkọ̀ wò, mọ́ínmọ́ín epo. For rice, you hear something like ọ̀fẹ́ ní ìrẹsì, ẹran lówó. Then for fish, you hear things like kìí dùn lọ́bẹ̀ or ẹrẹ́jẹ fi sebẹ̀ o. Wow, that's the end of today's class. Our evaluation. Pín àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀nyí sí syllable èdè Yorùbá. Divide them in their syllables. Look at the words very well and divide. Àgbàdo, kan, jẹ, iyán, Ṣàngó, omi. So break the words in their syllabic structure.